Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'm going to do a YouTube playback test in the Redmi Note 8 Pro. So as you can see here, what model I'm using. So if you're new to my channel, subscribe to my channel Sai Tech Guru for more and interesting videos and comparison videos. So as you can see here, Redmi Note 8 Pro 6GB and 64GB variant. So Helio G90T processor. So in this video, I'll be playing the YouTube videos continuously for about 5 hours. So here I got the chart ready. So for every 1 hour, I'll record how much the battery has been drained. So right now the battery percentage is of 100%, as you can see here. Clearly it's completely charged. So 100%. So during the test, I'll be using only with the 50% of brightness and the earphones connected. And I'll be playing the playlist of the Redmi Note 8 Pro. So you can find the Redmi Note 8 Pro playlist in the links in the description. So there are all other playlists as well regarding all other phones like Realme X and Redmi K20 Pro and Honor 9X as well. So you can check the links in the description for the playlist. You can directly access all the videos. So as you can see here friends, the test has been begun. So I choose the volume to the 50% as well. So right now I'm using with the 50% brightness and the 50% volume as well. So again I'll be back after 1 hour of playing the YouTube in the Redmi Note 8 Pro. So we can know how much the battery will be drained. So this is a test which right now I'm doing only with the Wi-Fi. So do let me know guys if you want do with the 4G as well. So I'll be doing a separate video on that. So for now time being I'll be doing only with the Wi-Fi test. So next if you guys are interested I can even do with the 4G as well. So again I'll be back after 1 hour. So right now you can see your friends after playing the YouTube for 1 hour. So let's check how much is the battery drop in the Redmi Note 8 Pro. So as you can see here, so 6% there is a drop from 100% to the 94. So overall there is a decrease in of 6% for first 1 hour. So here is the chart. So again I'll be back after 1 hour. So after calculating for 5 hours, we'll get to know for 1 hour how much the battery drain will be there average. So by calculating the average, we can understand how long we can play the YouTube continuously in the Redmi Note 8 Pro using the Wi-Fi. So right now you can see here friends, after playing the YouTube in the Redmi Note 8 Pro for 2 hours. So let's check how much is the battery percentage right now it is. So as you can see here, it's 87% right now. So overall there is a decrease in of 13% for 2 hours. So again I'll be back after 1 hour. So as you can see here friends, after playing the YouTube for 3 hours, so let's check the battery percentage how much it is right now. As you can see it's 81% right now it is. So again I'll be back after 1 more hour. Now after playing the YouTube video in the Redmi Note 8 Pro for continuously for 4 hours using the Wi-Fi. So let's check the battery percentage how much it is right now. You can see it's 75%. Overall there is a drop in of 6% exactly for every 1 hour as you can see here. So after playing the for 4 hours, this is what I understood. So if you're using the Wi-Fi connection in the Redmi Note 8 Pro using the 50% brightness and earphones connected, so there will be decrease in of 6% for every 1 hour. So for more videos, subscribe to my channel guys. See you in the next video. If you have any queries, do comment below. Bye.